Allô, bonjour, bienvenue au café, unité 2, leçon 3B. Au café. This afternoon, Tinin and Celine went shopping. They are now tired and thirsty. Tinin invites Celine to the café. Scene 1, Tinin, Celine. Tu as soif? Oui, j'ai soif. On va dans un café, je t'invite. D'accord. Scene 2. Le garçon, Céline, Tinin. Le garçon. Vous désirez, mademoiselle? Céline. Un jus d'orange, s'il vous plaît. Le garçon. Et pour vous, monsieur? Trin. Donnez-moi une limonade, s'il vous plaît. Photo culture note. Le garçon de café, French waiters, un garçon de café, are usually dressed formally. Black pants, white shirt, bow tie, vest, or jacket. Scene 3. Le garçon, Céline, Trin. Le garçon. La limonade, c'est pour vous, mademoiselle? Oh, non, c'est pour moi. Ah, excusez-moi. Voici le jus d'orange, mademoiselle. Merci. Une limonade is a popular, inexpensive soft drink with a slight lemon flavor, sort of like a Sprite. Language notes. When calling a waiter, one may also say garçon. It is becoming, however, to use the more polite monsieur. The traditional term un garçon is slowly being replaced by un serveur. A waitress is une serveuse. Pour communiquer, donnez-moi une limonade, s'il vous plaît. How to say that you are thirsty. J'ai soif. Répétez. J'ai soif. How to ask. Tu as soif? Tu as soif? How to order in a café. Vous désirez? That's something the waiter would say. Vous désirez? Je voudrais. Je voudrais. How to request something from a friend. S'il te plaît, donne-moi. S'il te plaît, donne-moi. From an adult. S'il vous plaît, donnez-moi. S'il vous plaît, donnez-moi. Note that the French people have two ways of saying please. They use s'il te plaît with friends and s'il vous plaît with adults. As we will see later, young people address their friends as tu and adults they do not know very well as vous. So let's look at les boissons, which are the beverages. Un soda, un soda. Un jus d'orange, un jus d'orange. Un jus de pomme, un jus de pomme. Un jus de tomate, un jus de tomate. Un jus de raisin, un jus de raisin. Une limonade, une limonade. Un café, un café. Un thé, un thé. Un chocolat, un chocolat. Supplementary vocabulary, various beverages such un café crème, coffee with cream, un jus d'ananas, un jus de pamplemousse. Isn't that a good word to say? Pamplemousse. Un citron pressé. Un orange pressé. So much fun. Note culturelle, le café. The café is a favorite gathering place for French young people. They go there not only when they are hungry or thirsty, but also to meet their friends. They can sit at a table and talk for hours over a cup of coffee or a glass of juice. French young people also enjoy mineral water and soft drinks. In a French café, a 15% service charge is included in the check. However, most people also leave small change as an added tip. One of the nice things about going to Europe is that tax is already included in the price of most items. So if something says it costs 2 euros, it costs 2 euros. Nothing more, nothing less. And just a reminder, Jus de raisin is a golden-colored juice made from grapes. Vous désirez un jus de tomate, s'il vous plaît? Petit commentaire. At a cafe, French young people often order carbonated soft drinks. They also enjoy natural beverages such as flavored mineral water or juice. In the larger cities, one can find inviting juice bars that offer a wide selection of freshly blended fruit drinks. Numéro 1. Tu as soif? You have invited a French friend to your house. You offer a choice of beverages, and your friend, played by a classmate, responds. So let's look at the example. Un thé ou un chocolat, excuse me. You would say, tu veux un thé ou un chocolat? Tu veux un thé ou un chocolat? Donne-moi un chocolat, s'il te plaît. Donne-moi un chocolat, s'il te plaît. Practice asking these questions and responding. We'll do this together in class. Petit commentaire. French young people often order mineral water mixed with a sirop or a flavored concentrate such as menthe, mint, orange, citron, grenadine, pomegranate, or fraise, strawberries. These drinks are named according to the mineral water they use. Au café. You are in a French café. Get the attention of the waiter, monsieur, or the waitress, mademoiselle, and place your order. Act out the dialogue with a classmate. Monsieur, s'il vous plaît, vous désirez un jus d'orange, s'il vous plaît. Practice this. Que choisir? You're in a French café. Decide what beverage you are going to order in each of the following situations. Think about what you would order in these various situations. So when we do this in class, you are ready to go. Numéro 4. La faim et la soif, hungry and thirsty. You're having a meal in a French café. Order the food suggested in the picture. Then order something to drink with that dish. A classmate will play the part of the waiter. Note that the words et avec ça means and with that. Let's look at the example. Vous désirez? Je voudrais un steak frites. Et avec ça, un jus de tomate, s'il vous plaît. Prononciation, l'accent final. In French, the rhythm is very even and the accent always falls on the last syllable of a word or groups of words. Repeat. Philippe, Philippe. Thomas, Thomas. Alice, Alice. Sophie, Sophie. Dominique, Dominique. Un café. Je voudrais un café. Une salade. Donnez-moi une salade. Un chocolat. Donnez-moi un chocolat. Merci. Bienvenue.